Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are finally back at Publix. This video is a little bit delayed because my son had to get his wisdom teeth pulled yesterday, but finally we are at the store about to get into these deals, and we got some good stuff going on this week. So you know how we do around here. We don't waste any time. Let's jump right into these deals. So the first deal I'm going to be grabbing is actually going to be doing a baby deal because I need to grab some Pampers products. I'm going to a baby shower Saturday, and the person for the baby shower, she loves Pampers products only. So this sale is right on time. So we got double savings on this deal. So they are spend 40, save $10 off instantly at the register. And we have a 10 off of 40 digital coupon. So we should be able to save $20 just with those two savings alone. But it gets better because we have some more savings to add in. I'm going to show you how it's going to work out. So since I'm going to a baby shower, I want to get some of the swaddlers, but it would probably be cheaper for me to do all easy ups in this deal. But I'm going to get a couple packs of the swaddlers. These are $12.19, and then I'm going to grab just one pack of easy ups. And I'm going to grab just one pack of the easy ups. Now the reason I say it would be cheaper to get all easy ups is because these are $10.99, and we also have digital coupons for these. And then I'm also going to grab a pack of wipes for $7.69 to get me over that $40 mark. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Pampers deal. Let's work out the math and see how this is going to work out together. So the total for all of these items is $43.06, which is great because we want to be over $40 so that we can save that $10 off at the register, and so we can use that 10 off of 40 digital coupon. So we're going to save $20 with both of those savings off top. And we should also save another $2 for the $2 digital coupon with the easy ups. Because the total is at $43, it's at $42 or more, we should be able to get that additional $2 in savings. So at the register for all four of these items, I'm going to have to pay out $21.06 if everything works well. But I am going to submit my receipt over to Stocking Spree because I only need like 20 something dollars for my next $10 Stocking Spree reward. If you're not familiar with Stocking Spree, you can earn a $10 Publix gift card when you spend $50 on select brands, and Pampers is included. Now I'm going to give you a couple more items that you could add in to get this to $50 if you don't have any tracking, but I have some tracking, so this is definitely going to push me way over what's needed to get that $10 back. So we'll get $10 back there. And we also have a P&G rebate now for spend 20, get 5. And since I'm spending over $20 after the coupons and discounts, I will get that $5 back there as well. So final cost for all four of these items is going to be just $6.06 after rebates, which is absolutely amazing. When we divide that up, these are going to be $1.51 per pack. Check your Fetch Rewards to see if you have this offer for Bubbly. It is spend 3, get $3 back with a limit of 2, meaning that you can get $6 worth of Bubbly for completely free after your Fetch points back. So we're going to add in this Bubbly into our Pampers deal to get us close to that $50 mark, because Bubbly is also included in Stocking Spree. So if you need to get up to that $50 mark, this is a good item to add in. Now, Bubbly, unfortunately, is not on sale this week at Publix, but even at the full price, it works out well. I'm going to grab a total of 4 of these Bubbly Burst. That'll be exactly $6, and then I'm going to get exactly $6 back from Fetch, making those what? Free 99. Now another drink deal I wanted to grab this week is on the Mug Root Beer. If you go on the Mug Root Beer Instagram page, they have an offer for a free Mug Root Beer up to $4. So I wanted to grab one of the Mug 2 liters because those are actually on sale for $4, and they're buy 2 get 1 free. So if you pick up a total of 3 of those, the sale will pay for 1, the rebate will pay for 1, and then you will pay for 1. Another option is you could pick up some of these mugs right here. So these 10 packs are buy 2 get 2 free this week. So you could pick up a total of 4 of them. The sale would pay for 2, you pay for 2, and you'll get $4 back, making it $13.98 for 4 cases. These Southern style green beans are not on sale yet, but if you want to pick up 2, these are buy 1 get 1 with this digital coupon that we just got today. So you can get 2 for $2.09. Then we also have 50 cents back on each one on Ibotta, so it'll make it $1.09 for 2 cans, which is not bad. The VioLife products are not on sale, but you can grab them for as low as $1.49 because we have $2.50 back on Ibotta and a $1.50 digital coupon. So if this is a brand that you use, this is a great price on this. I'm gonna hold on doing this deal for now and wait for a sale. Hopefully the rebates will stick around. Now I'm gonna grab 2 of the Eggos waffles. These are buy one get one for $3.39. I'm gonna use the $1 off of 2 printable coupon from their website. It'll make it $2.39 for 2 or $1.19 per box. We have a great deal on goldfish this week. These are on sale, buy one get one for $2.99. And we have $1 back on Ibotta. You might also have a digital coupon for these. I don't think I clipped it in time, but even just with the Ibotta rebate, these are just 99 cents each. Next item I'm grabbing is 1 of the Hellmann's mayo. These are buy one get one for $7.09. So 1 in half BOGO, meaning a state other than Florida, will be $3.54. So I'm just gonna pick up that 1 and that'll be 54 cents for me. Now this is a good BOGO on the Wesson oil. I usually don't see BOGOs on the oil, and these are priced as low as $4.99, meaning you could grab the canola oil for just $2.49 each. Check your Ibotta and your Fetch Rewards to see what rebates you have for the Dave's Killer Bars. For me, these will actually be a 61-cent moneymaker because I have $1.60 back on Fetch and I have $1.50 back on Ibotta. So when you pick up 2 of these, that makes them a 61-cent profit. Now, I do not like these Dave's bars, so even for a 61 profit, I'm gonna have to leave them in the store. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first transaction today. I wanna see how this Pampers deal is gonna work out at the register. I am checking out on an old system, and I think that does make a difference in this deal. So if your register looks like this, which is the new updated registers, this deal may not work out for you. Now, if your register looks like this, then this deal was probably a go. So we're gonna see how this works out. I'm only gonna be using 1 paper coupon in this deal for the waffles. Everything else will be all digital. It worked out so good. So everything came off just like I expected it to at the register. You can see we saved $10 with the sale for that. And we also saved the $10 for the digital coupon, and all of my other digitals came off as well. The only thing that was a little bit of surprise is that my Del Monte buy one get one coupon only took off $1.79. So those were 40 cents more expensive than they should have been. So I would hold and wait on the sale for those if you were not pressed to get those now, but I did want to try them. So everything else worked out A1. So we paid out $32.38 at the register. Then I submitted over to Fetch Rewards for that $6 back that came back instantly. We will also be getting back $15 total for the Pampers, $5 from P&G, and $10 from Stocking Spree. And I will also get back that $1 from Ibotta for the green beans. So that makes final cost for everything that I picked up $10.38. $10 for this card is a definite win because y'all know Pampers are high. These are buy one, get one for $9.49. So you can pick up 2 of these for $9.49. And then if you clip the $2 digital coupon, that'll bring you down to $7.49 for 2. I also had a $1 hang tag coupon that I picked up last week. That brought me down to $6.49 for 2. And then I also got back a total of $4 from Ibotta. So that made final cost just $2.49 for both, or $1.25 per jar. The price has gone up on these Rice Krispie treats. Now they're buy one get one for $3.99. So that means they'll be $1.99 each, or you can grab the ones that are $3.89, a little bit better. We do have 50-cent printable coupons on their website. That'll make these $1.49 per box. The Welch's sparkling juice are on sale. Buy one get one for $4.49. So you can pick up 2 and then submit back for $1 back on each one on Ibotta. It'll make final cost $2.49 for 2, or just $1.25. We have a great deal on the Breyers non-dairy ice cream. Check your Fetch Rewards to see if you have this offer back for 2,000 points back on each one, and they're buy one get one for $5.99. So you could pick up 2 of them for $5.99 in any state and then submit back for $4 on Fetch, making final price just 99 cents a piece on these. If you still have this 5 off of 20 coupon for craft products and Oscar Mayer products, this is a great deal this week, and we have a couple different options for deals that you can do just depending on what you need and use. So the Philadelphia cream cheese is one option. These are buy one get one for $3.49. So if you're operating on an old system, meaning your register looks like this still, you can pick up just 6 of these, and that will bring you up to $20.49. We're only going to pay half of that with the sale, so that'll be $10.47. Minus that 5 off of 20 coupon, it'll be $5.47 for 6 of these, or just 91 cents per block, which is an awesome deal. Or alternatively, you could grab the Oscar Mayer bacon, pick up 2 of these for buy one get one for $10.99. So 2 packs before the sale would be $21.98. We would only pay half of that, so that'll bring us down to $10.99. Minus the $5 off of 20 coupon, it'll be $5.99 for 2 packs, or just $2.99 per pack. The no yolks pasta is buy one get one for $2.99, so they'll be $1.49 each. And then we also have 25 cents back on each one on Ibotta. It'll make these just $1.25 per bag. Springer Mountain Farms chicken is buy one get one for $4.99, so you could pick up 2 bags in any state, and then you are going to use the $1.50 printable coupons that you get when you sign up on their website for their emails. They send these coupons via email. That'll make final cost on these bags of chicken just 99 cents each. The Jimmy Dean sausage rolls are on sale for $4 each, and we do have a $1 digital coupon. So it doesn't matter what state you live in, you can pick up just one for $4. Use that $1 digital coupon and the roll will be $3. Another great deal we have is on the Cool Whip and the marshmallows using this 3 off of 10 coupon for craft products. So what you could do is pick up one of these marshmallows if you live in half BOGO. Of course, if you live in true BOGO in Florida, then you need to pick up $10 worth in even numbers. I live in Georgia, so I'm just going to pick up one of these marshmallows, and then I'm also going to pick up 2 of the Cool Whip, the large containers. My store has the sign in the wrong spot, but we're going to pick up 2 of the large containers for $4.59 BOGO. So all 3 of these items is $11.37. We're only going to pay half of that because of the buy one get one sale, so I'll be at $5.68, and then minus that 3 off of 10 coupon, we'll be at $2.68 for all 3 items. When we divide that up, that makes these just 89 cents a piece. Hey, y'all, and here is another transaction I did with the Cool Whip and the marshmallows, my pasta sauce, and the Oscar Mayer bacon. All of that after my digital coupons came off was $15.16, and then I got back the $4 from my Ibotta for the pasta sauce, making that just $11 for this cart. If you live in Atlanta or surrounding areas, or Georgia or wherever they give out these Coke coupons, we did get a new one this week for $4 off of 2, and we have lots of buy 2 get 2 deals that are included in the coupon. I don't think I'm actually going to do this deal because I don't need any Coke, but this is a decent deal if you need some for the holidays and you have this coupon. Now, our normal coupon, which is buy 2 get 1 free, works out a little bit cheaper. It's like $4 cheaper because the coupon completely pays for 1. This coupon is only going to give us a $4 discount. So what's going to happen is we are going to get 2 free with the sale. We'll pick up a total of 4. Let me show you the breakdown. So what you want to do is pick up 4 of these. That'll be $16.98 after the buy 2 get 2 sale, because 2 of them will be free with the sale. Then minus that $4 coupon, final cost will be just $12.98 for 4 cases of these, or just $3.24 each. If you're a fan of candy, especially for the Easter holiday coming up, check your candy section, because I was able to grab a lot of candy this week for clearance prices. They had so many markdowns, and I actually like a lot of the sugar-free candy and the zero sugar candy, so it was a good time for me because a lot of these were marked down to as low as $1.43 per bag. My store does not carry the Nutpods sweet cream creamer yet, but if your store does, we do have an aisle rebate, making one of those completely free at $99. We also had an Ibotta rebate for this that I think has disappeared now, but even with just aisle, it is an easy freebie. So that is all for the Publix deals for this week. Let me know if you have any questions down below and what you picked up this week. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.